Hi class, my name is Dr. Mackenzie and I wanted to take a minute to introduce myself to you since we're going to be spending some time together throughout the semester. I am a native of Southern California. I was born here, but I was raised all over the United States. I lived in many different states and also at several other countries. I moved to Mexico. I lived in the Amazon jungle in Peru, South America. And then in my early adulthood, my husband and I lived in Canada for some time. So I've experienced a wide range of seasons and places to live. While I was in Mexico and Peru, I also learned Spanish. So I know what it's like to be a language learner in your adult years. And I was a teenager, but I know what that's like. I went to Liberty University in Virginia for my undergraduate degree, and then I went to Miami and received my master's degree in education and my language certification. And then when my children were older, I decided to go back to school. Why not? And I got my doctorate in education in curriculum and instruction. I have four children. My oldest is about to go to college next year, and my youngest is just going to be starting middle school. So we are busy keeping up with all of them and their activities. When I'm not teaching, I enjoy reading and writing and playing music and chasing after my kids. I am really looking forward to getting to know you guys throughout the semester and our work together. And please feel free to contact me if you need anything.